If you do this every single day for the next 21 days, you'll attract more money into your life. If something triggers you related to money, be grateful for it. For example, let's say a bill comes. It's unexpected, comes at the wrong time, or it's higher than normal. Instead of being triggered by it, and you can be triggered because it's a normal response, don't let that be what you end on. Because if you end on that trigger, all it's saying is that, yes, whenever you have money, money gets you electricity, and then now you're angry and triggered by it. Therefore, it's a negative association with money. And if it's a negative association, it will make it to where it's polar from you. You're gonna unconsciously or consciously just keep it at arm's length, and you'll never have what you want. Instead, when you feel that, follow it up by gratitude. Yes, I'm triggered, but I'm so thankful that I have enough money to pay this bill so I can get my phone and talk to loved ones. Find a reason to be grateful, and when you end on that note, it will be more one with money than anyone else out there that's retracting it or pushing it away, and you'll receive more in your life.